Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Breezy Mama. Today I'm going to show you a quick video on my Lily Jade Wristlet and my Lily Jade wallet. So first I'm going to start with the Lily Jade Amber wallet. This is in the brandy color. It has gold hardware detail, and on the back it just has one pocket, and it of course has that jade interior, which I can show you more when I unzip it. So it's just this nice zipper, it goes all the way around, and that jade interior is gorgeous. So I'm not really going to show you how to pack these because I think they're pretty self-explanatory. So I just have my cards all in here, and then there's two pockets here on each side. So two pockets and then two in the middle, and then all your card slots. And then there's this nice zipper, which I thought was interesting, that instead of it just going just this way on the top, it actually goes all the way down here at the bottom, and you can just put your money, other cards, cash, whatever you want in there. And all the zippers on this are super nice. Next up is my Lily Jade Wristlet. It is also in the brandy leather. It has this wonderful wristlet strap, all in the full grain leather with that gold hardware detail. The zipper is amazing, just to show you how nice and easy it goes. Super smooth. The zipper has this tassel on it, and it also has the Lily Jade engraved here on the front, super delicate and pretty. And then in the interior, of course, is that jade interior, and it does not have any pockets or zippers or anything like that. It's just an open wristlet. So you can stick anything you want in there, so you kind of have to have your own type of organization, I guess I would say. But I like it that way personally. I know some people might not, so I just want to put that out there. There is nothing but openness in there. So first, I'm going to pack this bag how I would if it was just me leaving the house, no kids, just running errands by myself, or just going somewhere by myself. So first up, I'm going to put my Lily Jade wallet in there, which fits beautifully. I'm actually obsessed with how awesome that looks in there. Next, I would have my phone. I film on my phone still, so I just have a loopy case that I'm going to stick in there. My favorite cases ever. That's all I use on my phone. Alright, so just sticking that in there. And then next, I'm going to grab my sunglasses, which I always have to have no matter what time of the year it is, because, you know, it's always bright out there. And then next I have my chapstick. Always have to bring that with me. So just sticking that in the side, and I'll give you a view of this here. So this is usually how it is because my keys I have on a different thing I'll show you here in a second, but this is usually how it is. But I can also toss my keys in here. So before, just to show, this is how it usually is. No biggie. Nice, easy fit, no problem. So that's how it usually is packed when I'm leaving. If I want to throw my keys in here while I am out, if I get to the grocery store and I don't feel like carrying them, it's so easy though for me because I use the O-Venture key ring, so I don't really worry about it. I just stick it on here with my wristlet. But if I don't feel like doing that and I just want to have one thing on my wrist, I can of course throw my keys here in the top. So there's that. And then just to show, I can zip it up. And there she is. Alright, so next I'm going to pack my wristlet as I would if it was just going to be a quick trip out, but I do have one or both kids, so I'm just going to pack it like that and see how much it can fit. So I do know it can fit a diaper for each of them, so this is a size 4 diaper and a size 6 diaper, so I'm just going to put that in there first. Alright, and there it is with the diapers. And I'm not sure if it can fit the wipes, so I didn't get a thin, I'm sure it could fit a thin pack of wipes. My wipes are still like mostly full right now, but I will just attempt to see if it can fit. Alright, so there that is with the wipes, and then a diaper for each of them. And then if it was just going to be a quick trip out with just the kids, just to like the grocery store or something like that, I would probably just literally bring like this, diapers, a sucker because I need to ride my 3-year-old. Yes, I do have a small toy here, so just a small little like toy for her, just stick in there. That's probably the extent I would do. But the only thing is, packing it like this, I don't think I can fit my wallet in here. So I could, if I wanted to pack it like this and I really did not want to carry something, I would honestly just probably stick a card or some cash in here instead of bringing my whole wallet, because again, if I was trying to travel light, this is how I would do so. So there that is, and it does zip up, no problem. So there it is, just as 2 diapers, wipes, a sucker, and a small toy for my daughter. And it's obviously super light, really easy to carry that in there. And again, I would just stick cash or a card in here if I didn't want, since I can't fit my wallet in here. All right, so the third way I'm going to pack it is for those of you that don't have kids in diapers. I'm gonna pack it as if my kids are both potty trained and I wouldn't have to have the diapers and the wipes. So first, I'm gonna put my wallet in there. Next, I'm going to put some suckers because I feel like no matter what age your kids are, you just need this type of stuff. So I'm gonna stick those in there. And then I'm also gonna grab one of these little applesauce pouches because I feel like, again, every kid, no matter what age, needs snacks like that. And then I'm gonna put a bow in here for my daughter because, again, just seems like something, even if you don't have kids in diapers, some type of hair tie or hair thing you might put in there for your littles. And I'm also gonna stick a bigger toy in here just to see how it does. So just this bigger rattle toy, just gonna put that on top. So here it is so far. And then the other necessities for me that, again, if I was packing for myself and the kids, I'd put my sunglasses and chapstick. So I'm gonna stick those both in there. And before I forget, I also want to stick my phone case in here just to show that my phone will fit in there as well. So let me zip that up. And that is all packed up for me and 2 kids if they weren't in diapers. And these are just for quick outings. This would just be a quick outing, not like a whole day's worth trip. Unless they're like super old and you don't really need that much at all except for this type of stuff. That's everything for today on my Lily Jade wristlet and Lily Jade wallet. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, please subscribe, please follow my Instagram. It's at Brianna_Renee_, and I'll see you guys next time.